How often do you purchase a new electronic device, such as a smartphone or a TV? Every year, approximately 1.5 billion units of smartphones are sold across the world, which means that 1.5 billion phones need to be disposed of. The world is in the midst of a massive crisis of e-waste. By some estimates, we collectively generate about 50 million tons of e-waste every year. This waste comes in many forms, with 31% generated by small electronics such as microwave, shavers and cameras. Around 28% is generated by large electronics such as washing machines and refrigerators. Smart devices, smartphones, computers, televisions, lamps and other devices make up the rest. The toxic material from the electronic devices are released into bodies of water, soil, air, affecting both land and sea animals. When you throw out your e-waste, they wind up in landfills, causing toxic material to seep into the groundwater. Now, toxic release from e-waste could cause serious health implications to our kidneys, blood and nervous system as well. Now, three basic priorities to follow for solving the e-waste problem could be: the number one is reduce, second one could be repair, and third one could be recycle. For more such informative content, follow Saksham the Computer Guy.